कैसे हैं? Today we are going to learn festivals of India. So without wasting any minute, let's get started. In India, we celebrated two types of festivals. First one is national festivals and the second one is religious festivals. So let's start with our national festivals. First one is Republic Day. Republic Day known as Ganatantra Divas. We celebrated Republic Day on 26th of January. The second one is Independence Day, which is called Swatantrata Divas. We celebrated Swatantrata Divas on 15th of August. The third one is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrated Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. So guys, we already learnt about national festivals of India. Now we are going to learn religious festivals of India. The first one is Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. Holi रंगों का त्योहार है. Our second festival is Diwali. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It is a festival of lights. The third festival is Dussehra, which is also known as Dasehra. Our fourth festival is Eid ul-Fitr, which is also known as Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslim people. Our next festival is Onam. Onam is a festival of harvest which is celebrated by people of Kerala. Our next festival is Pongal. Pongal is also a harvest festival which is celebrated by Tamilians. After Pongal, our next festival is Makar Sankranti. On this occasion, the transition of the sun from the zodiac Sagittarius to Capricorn. Our next festival is Janmashtami. Basically, Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna. So, Raksha Bandhan is our next festival. It's a festival of brothers and sisters. Sister always tie Rakhi on brother's hand. Our next festival is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is also a harvest festival of northern India. Our next festival is Christmas. We already know many more things about Christmas. So, do you know when we celebrate Christmas? Write down in the comment box. Durga Puja. It's a famous festival of West Bengal. It's a 9-day festival and we do worshipping of goddess Durga on those days. Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a famous festival of Maharashtra. We celebrate this festival on the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Then our next festival is Guru Purab. It's a common festival of Sikh people. After Guru Purab, our next festival is Mahashivratri. It's a main festival of Lord Shiva. Our last festival is Ram Navami. We celebrate Ram Navami on the birthday of Lord Ram.